What is up, everybody? You guys are watching Freedom Fishing, and before I show you the rig real quick, I just want to say subscribe, because at 1,000 subscribers we will be doing a giveaway. And one more thing, really quick, go down below, hit that description, a link to linearjigs.com, and get 10% off using the code FreedomFishing10 for 10% off your order. So I got a rig to show you guys. I was at work and one of my coworkers told me about this rattling Texas rig mod he put to his Texas rig to make it rattle, and I said, what are you talking about? And he says he's never seen this on YouTube, but he calls it the Texas Ticker, so that's the shout out for him. The rig right here is a basic Texas rig. You got the EWG hook with the craw, or whatever you want. Sorry, EWG hook with the craw and a bullet weight, so that's the Texas rig. And in between the bullet weight and the hook, there's a glass bead on top, and then a tungsten washer weight on bottom. You can get the bead and the washer at Academy or Walmart even. That's them right there together. And so it's a basic Texas rig, but now when it hits anything like wood or a rock, or even if you give it a lot of slack and then pop it really quick, they'll all slap together and they'll make a clacking noise. And that'll attract the fish, especially when the water temp is warmer, or when it's really dirty water, or you're fishing it really aggressive. The fish are going to want it more, especially when the water is really dark and the visibility is low. You're going to be able to hear it more. So this is just a quick video of the Texas Ticker, and I'll throw it on a medium heavy because I think it's a 3/0 EWG. Alright, you guys, make sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button. See you guys.